Hello, que mi gente, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to visit the Big Buddha in Pattaya.
Where we going?
First place, Big Buddha.
Big Buddha.
Yeah.
Jordan is our driver and he's taking us to the Big Buddha on this great day of excursions.
And let's get to the most couple questions I always have, and it's how I can get there, Janelle. How you visit this place? Well, what we do was we booked a tour with this company. We have George pick up us at 8:30 a.m. in our hotel because this place was close where we was staying. He stayed with us all day until 4:30 because we have two more places we want to visit. So he did the tour for us. He was great. We have a great time with George. And there's a couple of things you need to do about this place. It's free. You don't have to pay anything to enter, but ladies need to be covered. You need to have something that cover your arms, your shoulders, and you need to wear in something that is down off your knee. So if I have any female here that watching my channel, take that as a consideration because they don't going to let you go inside. And also we have to respect other people's cultures and follow the rules. Now let's see a little bit of the story of this place. This statue is located in the majestical atop of the hill in the south of Pattaya city. The Big Buddha is a place you need to visit. This statue was built in 1977, and this monumental golden Buddha statue stands in an imposing height of approximately 18 meters. This colossal Buddha image contains two golden neck snakes. It's a symbol of deep spiritual importance to the Thai people. It is a secret pilgrimage site where believers come to show respect and seek blessing for health, happiness, prosperity. From Pratamnak Hill, you can also enjoy some of the best views of Pattaya and its surroundings, including the photograph of the Coral Island. As you can see, you will see a lot of people visit the place. It was a lot of tours get it in there. We was there for about 30 minutes, which was great for us because we have time to enjoy more ourselves and do our things. In addition to the Great Buddha, the temple grounds are home to 7 small Buddha's images and beautiful pavilion. It is a place where locals and visitors can find serenity and spiritual connection. Personally, standing in front of the Great Big Buddha is truly a moving experience. The sense of peace of tranquility that this place exudes is palpable, and one cannot help but be inspired by the majesty and serenity of the statues. Every year, the Big Buddha attracts an impressive numbers of visitors from all over the world. Visitors annually making it the most of popular tourist destination in Thailand. The Big Yellow Buddha in Pattaya, Thailand is much than just a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of peace, unity, and spirituality that continues to captivate people around the world. If you ever get the chance to visit Pattaya, don't hesitate to include the Big Buddha on your itinerary. You will not regret yourself to visit, and you will have fun. The view is impressive and really pretty and beautiful. The place itself, it gives it to you peace, and it don't cost much. Of course, if you bucket a tours, you can pay around $56 or you can take a taxi in the way we do. We pay this tour guide, they also is a taxi guy, and we don't pay that much money. Plus, we can stop everywhere we want to. But also you can consider that you can do, for example, pick 3 different places that you want to visit and try to get in agreement with the taxi or the tour guide, and you can use that person all day long and explore the city and explore all the temples that are around the area. Some of the temple don't let you use your drone. Some does, this one does, and we have the opportunity to take a couple drones view, but that's what you are going to see. And one side you are going to see the beach and the sea, and it's pretty and it's fresh, so you will have a great time. Plus it's free, you don't have to pay anything. Now I will let you guys enjoy this a couple image we take from the top with our drone. But the nice thing about this is when you are driving in the taxi and coming up to the hill, you can see that big yellow statue, and it's imponent, it's amazing, it's pretty, and it's catch your attention. And please guys, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, turn on the notification button for more upcoming videos, and let me know in the comment section what do you think, and if you have any question, I will be more than happy to help. See you, bye.
Thank you Didi. Ciao Didi. Thank you 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 Didi.
I'm not sure. Okay.